today, and I'm trying not to pull up my hair. I'm trying hard to grow it, cause I'm far too shy to show it back there. That's probably why I like wearing hair. There's no denying or deferring the fact. Avoiding confrontation like stagnant situation behind every line is a lesson yet to learn. But if you ask me, the feeling that I'm feeling is overwhelming, and all it goes to show that's too much to know. I wrote this for my prettiest friend, but while trying not to prove that I care, trying not to make all my moves in one motion and scare her away. Well, she can see she's making me crazy now. I don't believe she knows she's amazing how she has me holding my breath, so I'd never guess that I'm not such unsuitable suited for her. But if you ask me, the feeling that I'm feeling is complimentary, and all it goes to show, the moral of the story is boy loves girl. It's yet to be told. I know that I should be brave, 'cause even pretty can be seen by the blind. I know that I can't wait until the day I finally learn how to find each other and be fighting open. And if you ask me, the feeling that I'm feeling is overjoyed, and it's golden. It goes to show them the ending of the song should be the low, and all the way it unfolds is yet to be told.